Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and that's an 8x10 canvas, and I want to do a really tiny landscape, and I don't know if I can or not, but I'm going to try. And I've got some Anita's white metallic with a very small amount of neon pink included into it, and I think I'm going to use my knitting needle to roll some stuff because it's the right length. I don't knit, but I do have a knitting needle. I'm going to use some Arteza Golden Hour. I want some pale blue in that sky, so I'm going to put some more Anita's white metallic down. I tried the Meeden white instead, and I wasn't super pleased with my results, so I'm back to the alternative. Here is some color shifting purple flash. Never done this before, no idea if I can do it now. Seemed worth taking a chance on. Move my knitting needle out of the way. Actually, try not to put it down in the paint from the last painting. This is a Princeton Mini Blade Catalyst art tool, and I am happily attempting to spread the residuals of the top portion onto the bottom. That is a yellow with a little bit of orange in it. This is also an orange from Master's Touch from Hobby Lobby. I've got a little tiny bit of red in mind. That's more than a tiny bit. I'm going to wipe off my spatula. Just move my colors across. Kind of want to put a little more white in there. I think I'm going to put it right on my spatula blade. We'll call it clouds. Now, if I had a little dip dish, I could just dip into my white if I'd had a plan in advance. That'll be next time. Just going to pull some of that right down that I don't intend on doing anything more than letting it be wet. Now, I have a spatula and I want some green. Actually, that's not green, that's turquoise. Let's put the green down. And since I'm a big fan of purple and turquoise, let me find another open green. This is the Chrysocolla. Looks kind of like that emerald green that's a folk art color shift. I think I'm going to mix a little gold in there if I can lay my hands on it, and it's right here in front of me. I know it is. It's really weird how things can just disappear. Okay. I'm just going to throw a little bit of copper in there because I can. I might like this without doing anything to it. I might like it just the way I swipe it. Could put some flowers in the foreground. I swipe a little more. If I put a little bit of purple across the top there, it's going to look a lot more like mountains. And then if I drag it down, I've got something to wipe off across my bottom, which is now covered. Probably this other side is not though, but I can always put a little bit of paint right on my spatula. Fix that. So where's the copper? There's the Decor Americana 24 karat gold with orange in it. And put a little more purple over there. I'm going to put a little more of everything. And take one of my tools, like this one. I have a video. If you look up tools, you'll find these. And dip it in my black, my Amsterdam black with cell activator. You have to have enough paint. If you don't have enough paint, you drag down the canvas. And even now I'm having some trouble. Just going to scrape off, I think I am. I'm going to scrape off the paint with the blade of my spatula and use it right along this edge. Throw some more paint in there. Because I keep thinking, you know, if I just could control my proclivity for excess, I'd be so much better off, but I'm never sure if I'm right or not. That's why I never get there. So I'm going to grab another tool because that one is kind of not making me happy. And I'm going to use this round one. And tap it off on the edge. So that works really well. Grab a little more of the Amsterdam black. Had some trees wanting to sprout up on the ridge. Grab some more Amsterdam black still. And what? Come on. Squeeze out. I am inclined to just grab a card. Keep wiping it off. Figure there are fields of flowers right down there. I probably could have used the wider side of this. Just over here wiping the card off on the end of the canvas. I'll just put a road in up there. Maybe another one over here. Put some layers. And I'm going to use my little stick and pull some trees up. Grab a little more black. Alright, I want to use my little card right there. Touch up my edges, call it good. Right after I put some trees in there, I've got the pointed end of the stick. Just going to pull up. Make a forest, maybe more than one. Super simple to make it look like there's trees on the ridge. I had more plans. I could probably put different trees in there tomorrow. This is my idea of a small escape, and that was fun. I love you guys. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Make sure you know I have 2,000 videos, and they're arranged on lists of 100 each. Playlists you can find by going to all playlists, created playlists. And they're also organized by topic and genre, and if you can't find what you're looking for, you're more than welcome to ask me. I do answer questions, so use the comments section, or if you're desperately in need of an immediate answer and I'm not around, try my email. It's underneath the link tree. It's easpbgallery. The word gallery is spelled out at gmail.com. That's easpb, the word gallery, at gmail.com. I've got a few little spots, but I'm pretty sure I can fill them in. I want to make sure you're in the right place, and I'm going to zoom in and show you all those really cool little cells, especially if I can focus. I like the colors in this. So I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I'd really appreciate that. That would help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate that too. If you shop my Amazon link, it's a big help to me. Eventually, I can buy some art supplies, and my Amazon link is on my link tree. My link tree is the first blue link under the video, and you can find Le Gallerist, my fashion line from Montreal, and pixels.com, Far North America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, our Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more for checking out the gear on pixels.com and Find Out America. If you press shop now, it'll take you there. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of artwork from YouTube. It's not all edited, but I'm working on it. What else? Please like, share, watch longer, give me thumbs up. I think I said that already. And thank you again. Oh, the monthly drawing has paintings up for grabs for anyone who's a contributor through PayPal or Patreon. You can find those icons on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. You can find my community board on my YouTube channel, and you can see tomorrow's video there, and or Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group Facebook, and usually my other page is also on Facebook. If you have questions, I mentioned, you should ask me. Teespring clothing below the video is much less expensive and still has Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts, like Le Gallerist, the top link on the link tree does. Worth checking out. Anything that you see on the clothing below the video, you can click on it and it will bring you to my Teespring store. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell at Spring Hill, Florida, at Spring Hill, in Spring Hill, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying I love you guys. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, privately. And if you're interested in purchasing an artwork, use my email address and the hashtag with the file number from the title of the video, or check out my exhibition videos. There's a whole playlist of them, and I'll just need the date the exhibition video showed and the time you saw whatever you were interested in purchasing. Purchases are the absolute best way to support the studio's production of videos. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I probably said that already. Bye for now. Priscilla out.